Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm gonna show you how you can reset the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Maybe you want to sell it, maybe you want to start fresh again, I don't know, whatever it is. First of all, we want to go ahead and take out our SIM card. For that, you can take your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, whatever you have, and then take that out. Use our SIM card, take that out, and then put the tray back in the phone. And now we want to go ahead, go to our settings and go to general management, and then to reset. Here we have reset all settings, reset network settings, or reset accessibility settings, or factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. So this is all that's gonna be deleted. Obviously, also your Google account, and the apps will just be resetted. Now we can say reset. We need to verify with our PIN, delete all, and now it's shutting down. So now we're back at the start. We get welcome to here, and we can go ahead and, well, set our phone up again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.